Hi, I'm Nilan. I'm going to explain my second experiment in database lab. My second experiment heading is furniture company database. So I'll get you the question first. The schema for my second experiment is this. So the primary key should be attributes are underlined. That is customer ID and order ID. And dataset is customer, order and order line, and product and suppliers. These are the data for the 5 table I already created. So I'll get you to the query and to the questions. So I have to insert the above values for our values in the corresponding table. So I already created 5 tables. So I have to insert everything, every name and everything. So insert product, product ID, product distribution, product finish, product line ID. So the values are 1000 and 1000 for product ID. Product distribution is office desk. Product finish is CD. And product line ID is 95.0. So after entering this line, entering this query, one row will be created, so that I have 5 continuous input entries, for the product table. So I have entered everything line by line. So the product, everything is created. So I have to introduce every input for that product table. Product ID, product display, product finish. I have entered the values for correspondingly, so that everything is added. So after entering all the product input values, select hash for product is entered. So this is my product table I created, and product I have created. And then for customer, select hash for customer. These are all the customer list I have created. And for desk, these are the supplier list I have created. Okay, then I'm altering all the supplier and entering the new details which are given to me. So insert into supplier, supplier ID, supplier name, gender, supplier date, product ID, order quantity and rating. I have entered the values one by one: S1, AAA, M, 11 November, 1051, so that all the corresponding details. So after this query, one row will be created. So I will continuously enter all this after all the supplier names, so that every supplier list is created. So select hash from supplier means my supplier list will be displayed. Okay, so I have displayed all the corresponding tables. So I'm getting to the second question. Update the postal code of Mary Smith to 132. So I'm updating the value. So update customer set, which is my customer name table. Postal code is 1032, where should I have changed the customer name to Henry Smith. So the value is updated. Select hash from customer code is used. So my Henry Smith is updated to 1032. It's shown in the output. So my next question is, insert the record 108 10 November 14 into the order table. So I have to insert into order 1 my table name, order ID, order date, customer ID, and values are correspondingly 108 10 November 14 and 1. So it's changed. And my table name is changed from table users. So select hash line. So I have to display the details of product was prices greater than 100. So select hash from order line where price is under this query, so that this is the output. My next question is, I have to sort the table order line in descending according to the order price. So I have given it and displayed all the ratings by order price. These are the order price we are descendingly I have entered. And the next question is, show the customer details of ordered the order table lamp. So these are the order from order ID 108. And my next question is, how many customers have the name that ends with the letter A. So select hash from customers. Source rating is less than 4. Order by rating. So it's my sort and display the display of display. So select the customer name from the customer table customer, where customer name is like A. So no rows are selected, so that there is no customer named A. So list the customers who have the letter Y in their name. So select the customer name where customer from the table customer where customer name is like Y. So Henry Smith is the only customer which has the name Y. And when list the name of the customers was order quantities between 10 to 15. Customer name from customer value, customer name J. So the customers having the name with J is John, Doe and Jojo. So the next customer, I should have the value list between 10 and 15. So this is the query to get the value, and my output is the customer name as follows. And increase the quantity by supplies 2% whoever the rating is greater than by 4. So this is the query for my question, and my output is as follows. Display the names of the customers in alphabetical order. So select customer name from table customer, order by customer name. These are my customer names which follows by alphabetical order, and find the number of orders placed on 10th October 2014. So this is the query to find the orders placed on that date. So my output as follows, and show the order details, customer details of product ID 1000. So the product ID 1000, customer ID and order ID from the table customer and orders asked, and here is the query, and this is the output. So thank you.